So welcome to automated trading. So in this video, I'm going to show you why you want to place your crypto into USDT Tether on Binance for automated trading. And I will also show you how to move your crypto into USDT on Binance. So first, the why. Well, using USDT Tether as your base gives your automated trading bot flexibility to buy assets when signals trigger and sell them when they need it. And you'll stay on USDT in between trades. Quick example is if you start with BTC, your bot can't buy more BTC, it could only sell it. But using USDT Tether allows your bot to both buy and sell across hundreds of trading pairs. The next why is our automated trading bots are optimized for quote currencies like USDT. You'll encounter fewer compatibility issues. And as a point of interest, you should only move the amount of crypto into USDT on Binance that you will trade using your automated trading bot. Now, how do you move your crypto into USDT Tether on Binance? Well, it's actually simple. First, log into your Binance account. Once you're there, hover over the trade icon and a drop-down will open. Then click on Spot. Next, you'll be directed to this page. Search for the crypto that you want to sell into USDT. In this example, we're selling BTC into USDT. Click the desired pair that you want to sell. Now, after clicking the required symbol, you need to scroll the page to get to the trading panel that looks like this. On the sell side, slide the bar to 100% to select max. This is the amount for selling. Then click Sell. So as a point of interest, when you sell the max amount of an asset, a very little quantity of it may still be left in the portfolio due to unavailable liquidity. This happens often with crypto. So, any cryptocurrency that is more than $5 should be sold for USDT Tether. Of course, you will have more than $5 of USDT, and that's okay. So now you're ready to connect your automated trading bot to Binance. So, go to our website and hover over Resources, then click on Tutorial, then click on How to Connect Your Automated Trading Bot to Binance.